in this video.
I like benching without a spot because I'd rather lift the weight or you die.
Welcome back to the journey. Let me get you up to speed. Last month I realised I was fat, so I started to go on a cut using my own program, Ace Shred. I lost 2.5 kilos and even managed to improve my strength a little. I have 4 weeks of the program to go, which I'm going to cover in today's episode. Stay till the end to find out how I do. Let's get into the video. This is nature's ice bath, baby. So, tell them what you did.
I bought fish and a battered sausage.
So, basically, she's brought home fish and chips. Do you not know what a cut is?
What?
A cut. You think fish and chips works with the cut? It doesn't. So it's times like this, guys, unsupported family members, you just got to get rid of them. So, Nan, this isn't working out anymore. I can't be your grandson. We've had a good run, though. I've said this time and time again, guys. Games over family. This is what we do. Game's the game. I've worked on my bench press a lot and I've always been a pretty good deadlifter, but squats are the one area I've always really struggled in. I'm particularly bad at the bottom, so today I'm going to do some pause squats to try and rectify this, and hopefully over time my squat's going to get better. You can see me with a light weight here, controlling through the full range of motion and then pausing at the bottom. If your face doesn't look like this on the last rep, then it doesn't count. Today I'm going to be taking you through a full day of eating and training while I'm on a cut. And there's two main things which dictates my food choices. The first is increasing protein whilst reducing carbs. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. In simple terms, out of protein, fat and carbs, protein will make you feel the most full. This is my favourite way of feeling good while in a deficit. Carbs are things like bread, rice, pasta and potatoes. These can spike your insulin and actually make you feel more hungry. Therefore, whatever carbs I'm eating during a meal, I just reduce the portion size. The second thing I think about when on a cut is meal timing. On a bulk, I'll eat 4 big meals a day and have 2 or 3 snacks. On a cut, however, it's more like 3 big meals and 1 snack. I'll also reduce my feeding window a little, so right now it's 10:30, I haven't eaten anything and I've been up for 3 hours. I'll also avoid eating late at night, so my last meal will be around 6 PM. Having a shorter feeding window just makes it harder to overeat calories. I'm about to eat my first meal of the day and it's going to be an omelette. Start with some oil. Eggs. Milk. Seasoning. Very important. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Pour it, pour it, pour it. While that cooks, I'm gonna fill up a bowl with ham and cheese. Look at it. Whoop. Perfect. Ideally, most men would want around 150 grams of protein a day for building muscle, but usually breakfast options only contain between 5 and 10 grams of protein. This means that to get a good amount of protein, you need to have 140 grams of protein in just 2 meals. This is what makes protein shakes such a popular supplement, because it makes it way easier to hit this goal. But we'd want to get as much protein as possible from whole foods. This is what makes eggs such a great option. They're higher in protein and it makes it easier to hit that daily goal. Breakfast was 2 hours ago, now I'm going to have a banana for some carbs for my workout in half an hour. You've got to open it like the monkeys do. In the last 4 weeks of my program, there's an increase in volume so you burn more calories. I'm in the hypertrophy rep range to stimulate muscles so you don't lose gains. Today I'm going to be working upper body. Just finished and now I'm about to make a protein shake. Next meal of the day is tuna pasta. Handful of pasta, 2 tins of tuna, 50 grams of protein. Cheese and mayonnaise, this gives it flavour but contains a lot of calories. When I'm bulking I'll have loads of each in, but now that I'm cutting I'll have as little as possible. Season it. Beautiful. So I was going to go for a walk, but guess what? Yep, gonna have to find a different gate. It's like, will I actually get killed by cows? Probably not, but it'd be silly not to factor in that risk. Walking, especially after eating, is really good for digestion and for burning calories. More than anything, I like it as a mental health practice. I think to get out in nature a few times a week, away from the stresses of the day, is really helpful. And I'm filming right now for YouTube's sake, but also getting away from technology, I think it's really beneficial. My retention's about to crash as me climbing trees. My last meal of the day is going to be chicken and rice. I'll start off by seasoning the chicken. Oil in the pan. At the same time, I'm going to boil some rice. Whilst the chicken cooks, I add kale to the mixture. Add the rice once it's boiled, along with sauce and seasoning. And now we have the final product. I'm in the final 2 weeks of the program. The weight's been coming down slowly, but I'm going to check it today and see where we're at. So we're coming in at just under 65. That means I've lost about 3 kilos in total. I was at work and I felt strong on the bench, so I got my friend to record me trying an 80 kilo PB. Easy. I snapped this photo after the workout, and given that these 2 photos are only 6 weeks apart, I think the results speak for themselves. Run day, fun day. This is the route that I'm running today. Starts here and goes to the nearby town, which is 5 kilometers away. If I run there and back, that's a 10k in total. It's always the cows, man. Halfway bridge. 5k down, 5k to go. 10k done. I'm dead. Run day, fun day. This website called Strength Level tells you how strong you should be at each stage of lifting for your body weight. At 65 kilo, benching 80, I'd broken into intermediate range. By deadlifting 125, I also became an intermediate deadlifter. Now I just needed to get 104 kilo squat to become an intermediate lifter across the big 3 lifts. I'm going to continue the program, but I'll add 1 or 2 squat variations per week.
I like venturing about the sport because you rather lift the weight or you die.
So you've got to be careful when failing bench. A lot of people will just shift the weight off so it falls onto the floor. This is okay, but you got to be careful of space so you don't hit other people's stuff. Practice what I did with an empty barbell. When it starts coming down, roll it onto your hips, try and sit up and just place it onto the floor. So last week of September, I've actually moved back to Sheffield, which is the city where I go to university. I've been here 2 years already, but I moved into this new place. Have a look, don't be shy. Let's get the 360. This is the room that I'll be staying in for the next 1 to 2 years. I've been moving, so I've had to take a few days off, but now I'm going to get right back on it, and today we're going to the gym. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, kids, huh? That made me group strength. Can I jump over 4 people? I don't know, I've never tried it before. But no time like the present. How was that, guys? Kind of tall when you stay right at him. How many tries for you to do the wall?
20.
La, hey, 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 big O. Easy, easy, now get up. That's the hard bit. That's the hard bit, Gala. How many times did you do the wall, Lucy?
1.
Go on now, Lucy. Oh, she's made it. Hey! How many times did you do the wall?
I reckon about maybe 5 times, but I'm sure.
5 times. Go Liz. Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was a good effort.
Boo! Hayden, how many times to do the wall?
3.
Hayden, stepping up to the plate. Fucking hell, man. I'm doing the wall. First time.
Wait, how many? Oh, he's going backwards. Show off.
Okay, guess who dislocated their shoulder? Come on, guys. Come on.
I think you should.
Smile again, smile. Hospital trip. One great thing about Sheffield is the nature. There's this one spot which I always used to run to. It's this big hill and it has a view of the entire city. I'm gonna be going there for the first time in ages, so I can't wait. Did somebody order a review? I've said before how I love the peace of nature. I love just how everyone's living their own lives down there. But up here it's totally quiet and peaceful. You can see everything unfolding beneath you. Not to go full hippie or anything. So now we're at the end. I'm going to test my 1 rep maxes on bench squat and deadlift. I did this at the start of the program. I did it 4 weeks in. This way I'll have a comparison between the start, middle and end of the program. I actually failed this 75 kilo attempt, which is the first time that's happened in about 2 months. I had bench 2 days previously and I was also tired from the session that I'd just done. This might have been why I couldn't do it. I benched 80 kilos around 2 weeks before this, so I'm still going to say that I can bench 75. So we started the cut at 68 kilos 8 weeks ago. We've done the cut. This is the final number. Let's see where we're at. Okay, that's pretty much perfect. I call that a success. Almost 4 kilos. It's exactly what I was hoping to achieve, and I've lost a good amount of fat. These pictures show the beginning of the cut, as well as 4 weeks in and 8 weeks in at the end. You'll probably notice a gradual reduction in body fat percentage. I lost a good amount of fat, pretty much the amount that I was intending to lose. In the first 4 weeks, I lost weight and also got stronger. In the second half, I lost a little bit of strength, but my squat did actually improve, whilst my weight still went down. If we look at the beginning and end of the program, I lost almost 4 kilos and actually gained a little bit of strength. I'm now happy with my physique again, and I didn't lose any strength. I in fact gained a little bit of strength, so I now consider my cut complete and successful. I really loved making this episode, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Please support me by subscribing and liking. I also have personal training, which you can find in the description, and this program, A-Shred, as well as my other programs, are all available in the links below. I'll catch you in the next one. Till next time, out.